Hello dear kiddos, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to discuss the mock question paper 2025 and this is part 5. Of course we are doing the mock test series and I hope this will be super helpful for you all. Without any delay, let us begin the very first question. In the following features, how many is or true for Ulothrix? Okay, presence of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, food storage in the form of starch, presence of algin in cell wall, non-flagellated and similar size fused gametes. Option A 4, B 3, C 2 and D 1. Which of the following features do you think is true regarding Ulothrix? Okay, your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on kiddos, you can do it. Yes. So the answer is 2. Only to which two? Option A and B. Presence of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, yes, is true regarding Ulothrix. And yes, it helps in storage of food in the form of starch. So if you look at that, yeah. But if you see the cell wall, it's not made of algin. You know, you can find algin in brown algae. And the important thing is they produce flagellated isogamous gametes, not non-flagellated as they say. Okay, so the answer is only the first two features are true regarding Ulothrix. Next, the fruit of mango is true carp, which is eucarp or pseudocarpic or parthenocarpic or composite fruit. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. These are very simple questions. Yes. So definitely mango is a true fruit, no doubt about that, right? It is eucarpic in nature, right? Meaning it develops from the ovary of the flower after fertilization, right? Yeah, the ovule becomes the seed and the ovary becomes the fruit, right? Whereas in contrast, in an apple, if you see, is pseudocarpic as it develops from the thalamus along with the ovary, and banana is parthenocarpic, seedless we say, right, which forms without fertilization, right, through vegetative propagation. Hence, among the given, mango is a true fruit. Moving on to the next question. Bulliform cells in upper epidermis of some grasses are smaller than other epidermal cells, empty and colorless, green, photosynthetic. What do you think is true regarding bulliform cells? Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on kiddos. Yes, so they are empty and colorless, right? So basically they are specialized large empty and colorless cells found in the upper epidermis of the grass leaves. Unlike other epidermal cells, they do not contain chloroplast and hence they are not green or photosynthetic. Their main function is to help in leaf folding and unfolding during water stress, aiding in water conservation. Therefore, the correct answer is they are empty and colorless. You also know the function. So children, that's why I insist everybody to read the explanation slide. Okay, that will be very helpful for your understanding. Next one, identify the incorrect statement with respect to nucleic acid. In RNA, every nucleotide residue has an additional OH group present at 2' position in the ribose sugar. Number of phosphodiester bonds is 11 in a linear DNA molecule that is 12 base pairs long. Thymine is present in DNA. A plus G slash T plus C is equal to 1 for double stranded DNA. What do you think? Which is wrong with respect to, incorrect with respect to nucleic acid. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, number of phosphodiester bond is 11 in a linear DNA molecule, they are saying, that is 12 base pairs long. So children, there is this small formula which you have to remember. See, first of all, in a linear double stranded DNA with 12 base pairs, if you see, the number of nucleotides are going to be 24, 12 on each strand, right? So this is a double strand, so 12 into 2, 24 nucleotides will be there. So the number of phosphodiester bonds in such a molecule is calculated as the number of nucleotides minus 2, one less bond per strand. Okay, one bond less, there are 2 strands, right? So you have to subtract 1 in each strand, which means 2 for 2 strands. So 24 minus 2 is equal to 22 phosphodiester bonds, and it is not 11. That is why it is the incorrect option. Others are true with respect to nucleic acid. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Assertion: predators in nature are prudent. Are. If a predator is too efficient and overexploits its prey, then the prey might become extinct. What do you think, children? You think these are true? Assertion is true, reason is true. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. What do you think? Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, so definitely both are true, and reason is the correct explanation. For that, you have to know the meaning of the word prudent. Right? First of all, both are true statements. And how is reason the correct explanation for you? First, try to understand the meaning of the statement. Predators in nature are prudent means predators often regulate their consumption to avoid overwiping their food source. Right? So, which means they know that if they are too efficient and if they are over exploiting their prey, they won't have anything furthermore, right? Then they might extinct. They also will become extinct. The prey might also become extinct, because if they don't have the prey, they cannot survive, correct? So that is why they are prudent in nature. They can regulate their consumption to avoid wiping out their food source. Okay, if the prey population collapses due to overhunting, the predator species would also be at risk because of lack of food, right? So hence evolutionary balance often favors prudent behavior in predators. Yes, the anterior-most part of balancnoglossus is proboscis, collar, trunk, stomachoid. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. This you are learning from grade 9. Yeah, the answer is definitely proboscis. Yes. Next one. Bufo and calotes are similar to triophylum and aptenodytes in having cartilaginous endoskeleton, tymphanum, indirect development, pharyngeal gill slits at some stage of life. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, so what do you think is the commonality among everything? So it may be the bufo or calotes or pterophyllum or aptenodytes. First of all, what are they? Right, bufo is an amphibian, right? Calotes reptilia, pterophyllum is a bony fish, and aptenodytes birds. So although they all belong to different classes, right? Yeah, they are under the phylum Chordata. And what is the commonality? They all have the pharyngeal gill slits at some stage of their life, right? Yes, you know, in some of them the slits are present only in the embryonic stage, right? But other option, if you see, the cartilaginous endoskeleton, tymphanum or indirect development are either not common to all or class specific, correct? That is why the answer is pharyngeal gill slits at some stage of life. One. In frog, digestion of food takes place by the action of blank and blank secreted from the wall of the stomach. Select the correct option. HCl gastric juice, bile, HCl bile, pancreatic juice, chyme, HCl. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes, the answer is HCl and gastric juice, right? Yeah. So, of course, HCl, if you see, it creates an acidic environment which helps in denaturing the protein and activates enzymes present in the gastric juice, such as pepsin. The enzymatic action initiates the chemical digestion of protein. Therefore, correct answer is HCl and gastric juice. Right. The next question. Comprehend the given statement. Assertion in frog. A triangular structure which joins the right atrium of the heart is called sinus venosus. B. The color of the ventral side of the body of Rana tigrina is generally olive green with dark irregular spots. Which side they are saying? Focus. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Do you think one of the statement is correct, or both are correct, or both are wrong, or one is wrong? What do you think? Yes, only statement A is right. Yes, the triangular structure which joins the right atrium is called sinus venosus, right? And it plays a crucial role in directing deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. Now, statement B is incorrect because they are mentioning the ventral side is having the olive green color with dark irregular spots, which is wrong. The dorsal side will have that. The ventral side will be just pale or whitish in color, and there won't be any prominent markings. Okay. The last and the final question for the day. Which of the following hormones produces anti-inflammatory reaction and suppresses the immune response? Cortisol, catecholamines, PTH, and ADH. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes. So first of all, cortisol, if you see, is a glucocorticoid hormone which is released by the adrenal cortex. It plays a key role in anti-inflammatory effects and suppressing the immune response during stress. Whereas what are catecholamines? Nothing but epinephrine and norepinephrine. They are involved in fight or flight response and not immune regulation. Whereas parathyroid hormone PTH, if you see, it will increase the blood calcium level, and antidiuretic will help in water reabsorption. Hence, cortisol is the only hormone among the option that is directly modulating inflammation and immune activity. With that, we are completing today's 10 question with the timer. I hope you all enjoyed it. And children, if you are finding it useful and beneficial, please do share it with your friends. The exams are fast approaching. Keep yourself, busy with doing a lot of mock series and PYQs, which will be very useful for you. And please do like the video if you are really finding it useful. Share, subscribe. That will be a great motivation for me too. Okay, all the very best for your exams. Tada, bye bye, take care.